Hi, welcome to our another video. Today we are having Sid and Sandra. After I talked to these people, they have told me about therapy dogs. So I never know about therapy dogs. These people explained to me what's happening with therapy dogs, what is therapy dogs. So I just feel like I just want to share it with you people, what's happening with the therapy dogs. So we have to ask them exactly what is therapy dogs. Hi. Hi.
So hi.
Hi. Yeah.
So my name is Sandra.
Yeah.
I'm actually from Slovakia, from Europe, and here with my partner here in Ahmedabad with my partner Eva from Belgium. We are running animal assistant therapy called Woofer Snow and Sky.
Okay.
And actually I got the idea to work with the animal assistant therapy because I want to show people how actually animals can connect with us, work with us, help us, because we always have the impression we are always doing everything for animals, we are helping the animals, but actually it's not true.
Yeah.
Because also if you have your own dog at home, so it's mostly changing of the affection with each other.
Mm-hmm.
So with animal assistant therapy, not every dog actually can be a therapy dog. There is a temperament test what need to be done, where the dog need to be passed for his good temperament to actually work, because the dog need to work with the strangers in the unknown places with different sound, different people, special people or special children. So it's
different kind of people, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
With different kind of deficiency, I can say. So that's why these dogs need to be really obedient dogs.
Yeah.
They need to listen very well. You need to trust that dog.
Yeah.
And that dog need to be willing to do this job.
Do the therapy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because this is actually exchanging of feelings between you and the dog.
Correct.
So also if you are in the present with a therapy dog, so what is happening actually, we are releasing of oxytocin in our body.
Mm-hmm.
Oxytocin is the happy hormone, what make you feel more happy, less stress, then you feel more relaxed.
Comfortable.
Yes. So
at ease.
yes.
Yeah.
So actually the whole animal assistant therapy is a little bit science, what I learned. So you need to exactly understand the timings, how much the human need to spend time with the animals. So if we are talking about the oxytocin level, so the presence of the animals, you need to be at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our oxytocin is releasing in our body.
So we must be with that animal with the 20 minutes in the beginning.
Yes.
Then only this start to work.
Yes.
This therapy.
Exactly.
One more thing I just want to ask you. We all people think we are having dogs or pets.
Yes.
The pet can make us happy, make us relaxed. But you said not every animal can be a therapist.
So what is happening actually, if you have your pet at home, so he is amazing therapy dog for you.
Okay.
Because he will love you, he will do everything for you, and when you feel sad, you will come, you hug.
Correct.
And there where the magic works.
Correct.
But will that your dog be happy hugging me?
No.
Or I take him in some unknown place?
Got it, your point.
So these dogs are trained to do the same thing what your pet do with you to
Okay.
every stranger in every kind of environment.
Okay.
So here we have Sid Trivedi,
Sid, yeah, hi.
who is actually a trainer of our dogs. So he can more explain about the training, because now we are in the training
He's
part.
the one who is training the therapy dogs, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So basically, I'm an animal trainer, and
I love you. Yeah.
I have trained. Sandra explained a lot about therapy dogs, and I have trained the therapy dogs to work around the humans who are in need. Therapy dog training is a lot about understanding a dog and a human both, because they are all the time going to work around the humans. So not, of course, like Sandra said, that every dog can be a therapy dog. Therapy dog herself or himself also should enjoy the work.
Yeah, correct.
So yes, I think I train dog for her, and we are planning to build up this concept in India and bring more awareness about therapy dog work.
Yeah.
And we are looking forward to train. I'm looking forward to train
more dogs.
Therapy dogs.
Yeah. And one more thing, it's all science approved therapy or science approved training. It's all approved, right? Like
see, actually being an animal trainer, other than a therapy dog, I also want to people to look into the see, we have never looked in this manner that
Yeah.
we see
Whether it's approved or
animal training as a science.
Yeah, science. Yeah.
But believe me, I'm working in this field since 10 years as an animal trainer. I have trained different animals. I have trained pigeons. I have trained chickens.
Wow.
I have trained dogs. I have trained fish.
Magician.
And it's all science. It's all it teaches a lot about muscle memory, how to build muscle memory. It teaches a lot about cognitions. It teaches a lot about timings, your perfection with your skills, and operant conditioning, counter conditioning. I think psychiatrist, the concepts which psychiatrist or a psychologist or people like working in with the human brain, they use this type of concept.
Yeah.
Animal trainer uses the same concept.
Yeah.
It's
a
an all
technique.
science.
It's a technique.
We just never seen that manner.
Okay, very good. What these dogs do exactly?
So when we are talking about our programs,
Yeah.
because in Ahmedabad this concept is also very new.
Mm-hmm.
So for us it was also a lot of spending time of educate the people
Yeah.
and spread awareness, make them trust
Yeah.
in our work.
Yeah.
Because if you see also the biggest problem what we are facing is how I can bring the dog into the infant or to the small child. Dog is dirty, spreading lot of disease, you
Yeah.
know. So we are trying to explain it's not like that. Also the presence of the dog with small child is building the immunity in the child. Then our dogs are regularly deworm, vaccinate, doing the blood test, everything like
They
we
must
know.
be healthy to do all these things.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so time by time we already build the trust. We are going to several schools in Ahmedabad. We are doing the education program there where we
Yeah.
are using dogs as in animal assistant education. Teacher will tell us the concept and we are creating the games or the plan accordingly to the concept what they want to teach.
Yeah.
We are actually the additional tool to make the concept faster and more smoother and more fun.
Yeah, correct.
We are also visiting also the old age house where
With the dogs.
Yes, of course with the
Okay,
dogs.
yeah.
Without dogs, it's not gonna work.
Yeah. They don't trust.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not
Without
that-
dogs, I mean.
Yeah.
Like I want to share one or two things which will give people idea whosoever is going
You
to
have
watch
to.
this video.
Yeah.
See, I basically Sandra came to me. I am an animal trainer, so all different people come to me with their animals that we want to train for him for a show or this that.
Yeah.
She came to me asking that she wants to train therapy dogs. So initially, I was also doing my homework and research, like
What is therapy?
what is the criteria I have to train dogs for, and things like that. So there was one video, I think in documentary, you might even, whosoever is watching it, if they want to see, they might get it in YouTube. There was one cancer hospital where people come for this chemotherapy and things like that. And so these people are already, lost the hopes of living. They are already in a last stage of cancer. They
Right.
already lost it. They already lost it. They are in depression.
Yeah.
In pain.
They
in
don't
pain-
have any
in
hope.
pain, they don't have any hope. And see, in West, there are many people who are living single. They don't have any other
To
human
help,
around
yeah.
to help
Yeah.
emotionally and things like that. So this is the feedback of the patient coming into the hospital, that we are not coming here in this hospital to take a chemotherapy or something. We are just coming. Only these dogs who are outside our hall is bringing us in the hospital. If
Wow.
these dogs are not here, these therapy dogs are not here,
They won't
we
come.
would have not come. We might already be dead in our
Yeah,
house.
yeah, correct.
So see, they can bring a lot of change in human life.
Correct.
Me being a trainer, I will share my experience. It was so amazing experience that the dogs which I have trained are now helping so many people.
Many people,
It itself
yeah.
gives me a therapy.
Very-
itself, that full
Seriously,
experience
it's
itself
really a
is
nice job.
therapeutic.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like I've trained different animals for a different purpose, for a house purpose. But this therapy dog training for me also it was a
So now
therapeutic.
you are more into therapy dogs? Or
Yeah, I can say that.
Yeah, yeah. Very good.
I'm spending most of
Yeah.
the time training
Do it.
therapy dogs.
Actually, when I was now in Slovakia in the summer, I visited one hospice where is people in coma or in the last stage of cancer. So one boy who is also doing this animal assistant therapy in that hospice,
Slovakia.
yeah, he's bringing his 2 French bulldogs there. So he take me to go with
See
him
that,
to
yeah.
see what kind of work he do and how he's actually taking the whole sessions. So in that hospice, there was studies done where they took 10 people without animal assisted therapy and 10 people with animal assisted therapy. And they was doing this test for 1 year. And it proved that people who actually using animal assisted therapy was asking and need 50% of less painkillers than the people who was not taking animal assisted therapy.
Wow. Yeah.
So there is a lot of papers people can go through. Internet is full of that. They can
Yeah.
go through. They can see. They can come see us in Ahmedabad.
Yeah. Surely we will visit to your place
Yeah.
to see these dogs.
Yes.
To see these amazing dogs.
And also, I was doing the research about for me. Which kind of dog will be the most easiest or
therapist.
more easy to train?
Yeah.
Because I'm also not a trainer, so
Yeah.
I need something what is also more easy for me.
Yeah.
So then I comes to about the Swiss Shepherds.
Okay, Swissshepherd.
Yeah. So then I did research and I got the Swiss Shepherds. Actually, even in their families, like my dog's mother, siblings, grandparents, they're also either therapy dogs or service dog or rescue dogs. So this breed have that empathy in them to really work and help the people.
Okay, yeah.
So then I import and I got them to Ahmedabad. Now we have first 2 Swiss Shepherds in India.
Wow. I think many more to come after some days.
Yeah, let's
Of
see.
course.
Let's see.
Of course, we all need a therapy, and so we definitely need more.
Correct,
more
correct,
dogs.
correct.
Yeah.
And thank
I
you
think
so
this
much.
is good.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Thank
Sandra.
you so much.
Yeah, I think people will know more about this after seeing this video and all.
Yeah.
People will come to you for more therapy, I think, with dogs.
Yeah. You can
And-
visit our page on Instagram, Woofer Snow and Sky.
Yeah.
Then you can
Hopefully,
see
I
our
think
work.
many people from Kerala also will going to contact you for the therapy with dogs. I hope. Yeah.
If you want
Yeah.
to train a therapy dog, then you can visit Sid the Dog Trainer in
Yeah.
Instagram. You will find me there.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you so much. Sir.
Okay,
Thank you so
thank
much
you.
for sharing all these things. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.